Do you want to further grow your business? I believe you do. That's why you clicked this video. In this video, you'll learn how to further increase your business profit using a China warehouse. Yes, you heard it right. A China warehouse will be able to boost your sales, big time. Let me walk you through it. Hello guys, good day to you. I'm John, have been sourced and exported for 12 years. Since I graduated from university in 2009. More and more clients are complaining to me. They had a terrible sourcing experience in China. It's not good. Of course, if clients don't have enough knowledge and skill, they would be easily cheated or overcharged. But that's not the real made in China. There are many middlemen and scammers in exporting, and they are very good at marketing. Usually, they are the first contact with the buyers. But actually, most China-sourced suppliers are honest, trustworthy, and offer good quality and fantastic prices. That's why I built JustChinait. Help the buyers avoid middlemen and scammers, save their time and energy, and lead them to the direct source manufacturer. JustChinait is the best China supply chain optimization company to drive profit growth. Offering quality assured one-stop sourcing solutions with China sourcing, wholesaling, warehousing, and shipping service. Our mission is to let the world enjoy made in China. Guys, you can trust me. I buy from 600 China-sourced suppliers and shipping forwarders a month. Now, I don't know how to sell overseas, or I can't speak fluent English, but I do know you must get as deep as possible with China sourcing. Don't waste your money or lose faith with Made in China. There are many good products with fantastic prices. You just need to avoid middlemen and scammers. Once you can fully use Made in China, you can grow your profit times. In my videos, I will show you all my insight, knowledge, and resources about sourcing and shipping. By the way, I am using a professional voice actor for my video, so you can understand me better. So, if you want to grow your business with Made in China, please subscribe to my channel now. Then you won't miss any updates. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is money. Let's get started. Chinese warehouses offer cargo picking and packing. These are two different services. Picking is the process of taking out goods from the storage shelves according to interests, models, and quantities as indicated in the order, while packing refers to sorting packages depending on the destination before assembly and delivery. For example, you have an e-commerce business selling shoes and clothing on Shopify. Once orders are placed, the pickers in the warehouse will pick out the items from the shelves for packaging. This process is picking. The package is then sorted out according to the recipient's address. In China, warehouses use a picking technology. They classify the order, batch, and process picking. This can support single-person, simultaneous, and multiple partition picking. The packing service is automatic with the use of software that can accurately find the location of the goods to be shipped out. The sorting operation does not involve human personnel, which makes the error rate shallow. So let's say you have decided to store your goods in a warehouse of a 3PL company. The staff registers the information of the goods into the warehouse management system. This will be recorded and confirmed by the warehouse staff. The quantity and the state of the product will be screened and will be communicated to you, after which the goods are counted and will be placed in their corresponding storage location. At this point, your products are waiting to be sold and shipped to the customer. One important point to consider is inspection. The last thing you would like to find out is that your shipment has been rejected due to poor quality. That is why it is important to be familiar with the quality control inspections if you're importing from China. This service will just cost you around $300 for each shipment. In return, you can improve the quality of your products and sell more. Also, the likelihood of being scammed may be eliminated. By far, the most popular company for inspection is Kima, previously known as Asia Inspection. The company will dispatch a quality inspector in China to your supplier's factory or warehouse to inspect. You can perform an inspection to your specification, or a default set of specifications. One inspector is needed to perform his duty in 8 hours. Your $300 already covers the transportation and other expenses. The most basic inspection is called the pre-shipment inspection. This covers the following. 1. See and verify the shipment and ensure it exists, and is the product you are paying for. 2. Verify if the terms are labeled and barcoded correctly. 3. Count the items to ensure the accuracy of the quantity of the orders. 4. Perform some basic product quality verification. Despite your trust in the supplier, Doing a third-party inspection is still important for the following reasons. 1. One is to avoid deliberate and careless mistakes from the supplier. 2. Another is to avoid deliberate mistakes from the supplier. 3. And lastly, verify the shipment before final payment. Now that your products are inspected, it's ready for cargo consolidation, which is the second to the last step of the process. Let's define cargo consolidation first. Consolidated shipping is a method in which a consolidator combines individual shipments from various shippers into one full container shipment. Once this container shipment reaches its destination, they are then consolidated into its original shipments. There are two types of shipments. 1. Less than the container load, or LCL. 2. Full container load, or FCL. LCL is when a shipment is too small to require a full container, while FCL has enough weight to require an entire container to ship. Consolidated shipping is beneficial for business owners. We have 3 points here. 1. Cost saving. You will just pay for the space your freight takes up. 2. Reduce the possibility of damages. There are fewer touch points. The handling of the product as freight moves from shipper to consolidation center to receiver. 3. Speed to market. Your freight is delivered where it needs to be, on schedule, but there are also challenges to be considered. Finding a carrier is one. Not all carriers are willing to carry consolidated shipments because of their complexity. If you found one carrier that approves of these services, be on the lookout for proper charging. Consolidated shipments require more organization and planning. Be aware of pricing methods, dimensions, timing, and other specifics to ensure your shipment arrives safely and promptly. Since you just pay for the space of your products and have to wait for the container to be filled, time is an issue. It's like waiting for passengers to fill all the vacant seats before it gets moving. Consolidated service options include air, ocean, and ground. Obviously, air shipment is quick but costly. Ocean freight is best for large goods and is cheaper than air. It's great for international shipping. The ground is inexpensive but can be slow and susceptible to delays. Split shipments are popular during the holiday season. For example, if you want to order multiple products for different people with different addresses, there's no need to create separate orders. Another thing to consider is the size, and if the product is fragile, which can easily be damaged when combined with another product. Split shipment is ideal for eliminating broken or damaged products. On the flip side, split shipments have higher shipping costs. The more shipments you send, the more you or the customer will pay. Most countries have different postal service charges depending on the area code, so the final cost to the same destination may vary. Packing waste is also a big issue. For eco-friendly advocate brands, shipping multiple packages is a no-no. On the side of the customer, receiving multiple packages for a single order is not a good customer experience. It can be confusing and can be a hassle to frequently go out of the house to receive orders individually. To address this, proper management of customer expectations is necessary. Can split shipment be avoided? Yes, it can be. Rule number 1. Have global inventory visibility, so you know where all your available to sell or ATS items are at all times. Number 2. Maintain sufficient inventory in stock. Have an accurate inventory of your stock and set a buffer for safety. Next, merchandising to reduce split shipments. You can promote products that can be fulfilled from the same location. Number 4. Get to know your customers. Once you get to know your customers, you can tailor your inventory to meet their demands. Check out which products are often purchased together. Group this in bundles to increase your average order value. Another is to offer a subscription plan for customers who purchase the same product. Lastly, give your customers the tools to consolidate their purchases. Take a look at Amazon, and they have pioneered programs where customers have the option to receive multiple orders simultaneously at a later time. That brings us to the last step of the process. Remember your resources and the ways how you can optimize them to grow your profit. China warehouses usually offer these services with customizable options that can grow your profit and business. That's all from my side about using China Warehouse to grow your business profit. Thanks for your watching. I hope you can benefit from this video. If you still have questions, ask below in the comments section, or you can get in touch with us. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you with the next video. That's all from my side about importing products from China. Thanks for your watching. I hope you can benefit from this video. If you still have questions, ask below in the comment section, or you can get in touch with us. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.